Hello folks, my name is Chetan Kumar. Today I am going to teach you how to develop a donut chart. This chart is not available on Show Me section, so we are going to develop this chart from the scratch. Let's create a calculated field. This calculation will keep our graph, the pie chart in the center. Let me drag segment to colors, can change this to pie, and drag sales to angle. So you have a beautiful pie chart in front of you. Now let's see how to develop a donut chart. Let me press Ctrl, right click on your mouse and make two graphs. Just go ahead and make a dual axis and right click and make it a synchronized axis. So you can hide the headers. You have to just go ahead, remove the segment from here and sales to level. So just go to the pane, make it white and just increase the size. So you have a beautiful donut chart in front of you. Now you can even divide it based on segment, like label it. You have a segment and how the sales are divided among the segment. So you can see the total sales that we have is we $2.3 million, and alone consumer had 1.16 million. So let me change it to millions. Yeah, so to make it look a bit attractive, mark here as total sales, and you can change to bold, increase the size to 12. So now you can see a beautiful looking chart. It shows the total sales is 2.3 million and how it's divided among each segment. That's all for today's session.